Are you looking for the best multimeter? I have compiled a list of top 5 home multimeters this year. These multimeters are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. To get us started, our top pick is the Fluke 117/323 multimeter and clamp kit. We're starting the list by looking at an entry that targets electricians in need of reliable equipment. Part of what makes it our top pick is the value this package offers. It comes with Fluke's 117 digital multimeters, the best in the 110 series, a Fluke 323 clamp meter, as well as the leads and a carrying pouch. Purchasing these multimeters individually can cost you quite a bit more than the asking price of this bundle. Ease of use is an obvious priority of the designs of either meter as well. They perform all the functions necessary for general power installation and troubleshooting and do away with any functions unnecessary to that type of work. One should know that this multimeter is not made in the USA like other Fluke products are, and it has a 3-year warranty instead of the lifetime warranty. That said, the quality you can expect in a Fluke is present, and you can expect it to survive years in a professional field. Coming up next, we have the Klein Tools 69149 Multimeter Test Kit. If you're looking for a set to perform basic jobs around the home base, this set is hard to beat. It's an entry from Klein Tools that includes a manual ranging multimeter, a voltage tester, and a receptacle tester. The multimeter is suitable for reading AC/DC voltage and resistance. The other equipment serves to detect voltage and ensure the wiring is correct to prevent damage or injury. This set covers pretty much all the bases necessary for odd jobs. But if you want a little more out of it, you can take a step up to a variant of the set that includes a pair of wire strippers. Next up we have the Innova 3320 auto-ranging digital multimeter. If you're working under the hood, this is a good choice for you. We don't say that solely because the brand has ties to Equus. The ability to perform a battery load test is going to come in handy for several jobs you'll tackle on vehicles. Besides that, it has all the essential functions you'll need for general electrical work both on cars and elsewhere. It also features probe holders on the sides and thick corner guards, complementing working in tight spaces in an engine bay. Of course, the fact that it's affordably priced will also help make its way to many tool collections. This is handy for automotive work, but professionals may want to look elsewhere. While this isn't a bad tool for the money, it isn't exactly in the league of high-dollar multimeters many rely on to make a living. You can probably expect that this isn't a superb unit suitable for professional use. To be fair, it doesn't outright target that market, though. It's just a good option for essential work and serves as a step up from super affordable units. The next pick on our list is the Extec EX330 auto-ranging mini multimeter best mid-range multimeter. Don't go through the hustle of finding the right multimeter alone. When it comes to packing a bunch of attractive features into a single digital multimeter, Extec X330 auto-ranging mini multimeter takes the cake. Their multimeters are both versatile and durable and have been designed to be useful to both professionals and amateurs. They also go to great lengths to ensure their products are affordable, no matter what budget you're working with. The Extec EX330 auto-ranging pocket multimeter has a whopping 12 functions, including AC/DC voltage, current resistance, capacitance, pulse ratio, and frequency. Extec X330 auto-ranging mini multimeter is a certified Category Cat 3 safety rating makes it suitable for commercial use. It operates on 2 AA batteries. The digital display is sufficiently large and the figures legible that anyone can easy to read them, even in low light. The large LCD screen renews 3 times per second. Whichever unit you select can move toward becoming to be the best possible call, and it won't harm your financial plan, though it's limited. Our final pick is the Amprobe AM510 Diagnostic Tool Best Multimeter for home use. Utility for light commercial and residential applications like you've never seen before. The Amprobe AM510 Combo Kit Auto-Range Function Light Multimeter might seem suspicious, given the low price, but this rugged best mini multimeter is accurate enough for both a homeowner looking to do some casual DIY and an engineer or electrician. The low price is to make it affordable for the homeowner. It also happens to be insanely ease of use, no matter what project you're undertaking. If you're a technician, on the other hand, this gadget is still a great buy as it will do a lot for you, too. It basically ticks all the boxes for what someone doing light commercial or residential work might want. It's safe to use, it has an auto sensor for voltage detection, it's digital, it's compact, it's universal, being able to measure voltage, resistance, and DC current, and it comes with a generous 600 volts rating.